Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas lights. Alright, so today I am going to show you how to install Christmas lights along a roof line. This is not a steep roof line. This is a very walkable roof line. This roof I can get up and do it no problem. So I'm going to show you how we install these lights on this roof right here. So before I get up there, I'm going to kind of go over the difference of hanging these lights down versus up. So LED, this one here is not being very nice, and I'll show you how that one in another video of how to troubleshoot a bulb. But right now, please go like and subscribe to my channel here at Christmas Lights. I'd appreciate it very much. I'm trying to get to 500 now, and thank you for helping me get to 100. Now I'm trying to get to 500. But you don't care about that. You care about Christmas lights. So with that, so we can hang these lights up with this tab here, or we can turn it and where it will point down. You can actually buy the clip so they will point out. We don't normally do that. We only do either up or down. So with the old incandescent bulbs, I don't know why this one ain't not want to stay on. I know why it is. It was some bad wire. So with the old incandescent bulbs, they used to make a better glow. It would glow around it. But you can see that if I'm pointing this bulb up, you're not really seeing on my face just where it's up. If I point this bulb straight at my face, you get a lot more light. If I point down, it's shining all that light down on the house. So the way I like to hang these lights, and obviously this is a personal option. You don't have to, you can point them up, you can point them down. We usually point them down. I'm going to unscrew this because I'm getting tired of seeing the light. We usually screw these down. We'll put them down, and why that does is it'll make a nice wash of light all the way down that house, and that way you'll be able to see the lights and they just look a lot better pointing down versus up. Now with that being said, the video I talked about gutter guards, this video right here, if you have gutter guards, then you're going to point them up, and then obviously you want to point all of them up so that way they're all up, and that way you don't have half a house up and half a house down, and that'll look stupid. So let's go up here and I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to want to put our clips on just like this, and we're going to take them and we're just going to slide them right underneath that shingle there, just like that. Put our clip on, slide them right underneath the shingle. Put our clip on, slide them right underneath the shingle. Now I want to show you the difference of shining up versus shining down. Right here is, I did 3 bulbs shining down on the house, and then I did 3 bulbs shining up. So which one looks better? I can't see those no matter what, but where those are all shining down, it looks good on the house, and you can actually see that there's light there. Like I say, the old incandescent bulbs, before they were an LED, which is light emitting diode, it made more of, because you had the filament in it, it made more of a glow. Now they are starting to try to make LEDs that try to glow like it, but they're just not there 100% yet. So this is why we point our Christmas lights down, because it makes a nice glow on the house, and you will actually see it all the way down the ground. And when they're pointing up, you really can't see that nice glow. And that, now if you were up in the airplane, you would be able to see those a lot better because the light is actually pointing up. And so that is why we point our lights. That's why we point our lights down. Only time we'll point them up is if we got gutter guards on our rest of the house, and those are all pointing up too. So that way they're all pointing up at the whole time. Where if we don't have gutter guards and they're just on the shingles, they will be pointing out, or on the gutters, they will be pointing out. And these here on the shingles will be pointing down. Now, there is a thing called a shingle tab, and I will show you that. I don't have none with me right now, and that you can make them and they'll all point out, but it takes a lot more work, and they're not clip-on like these. You actually got to screw the bulb through the thing. So when you're coming along gutters, then it's a whole different thing. So that's why we just use the shingle clips, and it makes it a lot easier. And they honestly, I like them pointing down because then it kind of shows the house at that point. And that way, if we got some up there, we got some bushes down low, we kind of make a nice looking, makes the house look nice. We can do these in multicolor. You can do them in, you can do the candy cane where you do two or three red, two or three white, two or three red. That looks pretty cool. But those are just some options that you can do with Christmas lights. And today I was just wanting to show you how to point them, whether you point them up or down. And we like to point them down just because you can see how much nicer it makes the house look versus those up there. You really can't even see them hardly. They just look like little things sticking up there. So with that being said, please like, subscribe. I don't care if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. If you subscribe to my channel, I'll subscribe back to you. So I'll help you out too. But everything is in the description below. If you want to look at things, look it down in the description below. There's everything you need there to put holiday lights up on your home. Thank you and have an awesome day. Thank you.